St. Augustine. According to tradition, Monica, immersed with sorrow, does the X-shaped cross of St. Andrew. He is the patron saint of the city of Manila, and the St. Joseph was declared the patron of the Universal Church by Pope
Finally realized in time for the 1981 IGMP. Akarosa, today, siblings Rosalie and Aris continue this legacy. The image itself was crafted
and gatekeeper of her children. Nuestra Señora de Porto.
She is venerated in the family chapel through prayers, devotion, and masses. Nuestra Señora Flowers and Event Specialist, Mr. Oti de la Cruz of the National Museum, and Mr. Henry Maralin of San Juan's Parish Team Ministry of Malolos Cathedral as an official vicaria of the Venerated Virgin. Since then, the family has been helping the cathedral in propagating to the devotion. Camarero was baptized. The repetitive and gentle whisper of the Holy Rose finally initiate this devotion in his hometown of Baluban. We would like to send our heartfelt gratitude to the following: San Isidro Chapel of Baluban, Porac, CWL and altar servers. We also acknowledge the Sasmuan Band from Pampanga, the Saganes, Mr. Cesar Palma, Mr. Jeff
is under the faithful guardianship of General Tan and family of Larnel, Bulacan. Nuestra Señora de la Esperanza Macarena de Quingua is venerated in City. La Niña Maria, the young Mary, is honored as the pure and grace-filled child, especially chosen by God for His saving work. In her
God answered them their prayers by giving them Mary, who would become the mother of the Savior. For this reason, Saint Anne is specially invoked by mothers, a model of faith, humility, and trust in God. Originally with the image of San Joaquin, the images of Saint Anne and the Child Mary.
For this year's Grand Marian Procession, here are the members of the Intramuros San Juan Band. Once again, passing in front of our Manila Cathedral steps is the Sancti Nine proclaimed in 1844. The Most Blessed Virgin Mary was, from the first moment of her conception, a singular grace levy of Quezon City. The Visitation, the second joyful mystery, illustrates the virtue of the Mary, particularly charity and humility. Mary's selfless. In 1965, Dr. Mario Porta commissioned Juan Flores and Antonio Dumlao to create a Holy Family Ensemble. It was later named Nuestra Señora de Navidad when he lent the image of the mother and child to Nayong Filipino, Sinas OSA, and offered to include the image. With the approval of Don Cuadrado Escudero, who was organizing the event, Nuestra Señora de la Navidad joined.
The image is entrusted to the Holy Stewardship of the Familia Santos. Jesus meets his sorrowful mother. This scene shows the tender yet painful moment when Mary sees her son bearing the cross, accompanied by Saint John the Beloved and Saint Mary Magdalene.
Nuestra Señora Regina de los Angeles. Catholic title for Mary. Her dignity as Mother of God is seen as higher than that of the angels, who accept her and love her as their queen.
Santa Maria, Mater Dei. Our Lady of Bano, the Virgin
Señora de la Leche y Buen Parto, or Our Lady of Milk and Good Delivery, is venerated as a compassionate mother who intercedes for the health through life's challenges and interceding for their needs. Her annual feast draws thousands of devotees who honor her through prayer, processions, and acts of gratitude.
We would like to acknowledge all the way who traveled from
The image is under the care of Familia Senantes of Navotas City. There are many times in our lives that we are plagued with doubt and temptations to despair. Our Lady is no stranger to this fight, the ultimate test of darkness.
Mo kami.
Approaching the Manila Cathedral members, 1966, 7 students from Cabra Elementary School in Lubang Occidental, Mindoro, reported visions of a beautiful lady in a white robe with a blue sash, who helped bring the image to the sick for 20 years. This image first participated in the designated share of the Comité de Festejos for the first Grand March.
Pandacan, Manila.
Muli ang aming pong pasasalamat sa mga deboto ng Nuestra Señora de Guadalupe de Cebu, Nuestra Señora Estrella del Mar,
Family of Gagalangi, Tondo, Manila. The devotion to the Heart of Mary began in 1600s. St. John Eudes helped to spread the devotion and connected it to the devotion of the Sacred Heart of Jesus. During the Second World War,
Along General Luna Street, Our Lady of the Sacred Heart, Hope and Hopeless, at the corner of Pandiman along General Luna Street. Previously used for national and international pilgrimages, this particular image first participated in this.
Nuestra Señora de Barangay, Nuestra Señora del Santísimo Rosario de Banawag, the image is under
Manila Cathedral steps is San Ezequiel Moreno Band, all the way from the Diocesan Shrine of St. Andrew Kim Taigon, Lulomboy, Bulacan, and from the parish of Crestong Hari.
Uniting them in faith, love, and gratitude. Sancta Maria Stella Matutina,
ipanalangin mo kami.